40.
Hey, I don't usually show you highway miles, 4-lane, 3-lane, main roads, but I just thought y'all needed to see this. This is second to the last Thursday in October, and look at these colors. So we're on US64 heading east. We're between Hayesville, North Carolina and Franklin, North Carolina. If you've watched my videos before, I'm usually not on this part of the road. I typically take Old 64. Today I decided not to take Old 64 because a lot of these beautiful, colorful leaves are brown and dead on the road. So there's not enough traffic on Old 64 to clean the leaves off. So instead of crashing and being another statistic, I decided to just take regular US 64. But here we are. I mean, come on. There's Old 64 right there. Yeah, if you want to see colors in the mountain, last 2 weeks of October, usually the second to the last week in October is the best. And we had some rain this past week, and the rain's supposed to like really bring the colors out and make them pop. But man, the red of the sourwood trees is just gorgeous when you look up and see what's still green. That's all I'm going to show you for now. I'll give you some more later.